to update. So I got the fog lights installed. They're not wired up yet, but just I am working on a video to show the tutorial. But as far as the fitment, it's perfect. It comes with the housing and the lights. And as far as the wiring goes, the wiring, they give you enough for everything. I was able to run it through the fender liner in here. I'm gonna show a picture of where I got it through. There's a wire coming out, and basically you want to use this tool right here that we used, this little wire tool. What we did was that grommet pops right out, and we took this and we fished it through the hole, have someone else kind of pull it through, and then once they're inside the car and they see that, they're gonna, cut the other end of the wire, tape it to this end, and then we pulled it out to bring it out to us, so we can connect the wire. And that's pretty much it. So that's the best route, best way to do it. Take the wheel off, take the fender liner out, that little grommet pops right out, stick this little tool in there, or if you have like a wire hanger, anything that's kind of flexible and sturdy, fish it right through there, and then tape the wire really good from the inside, and then pull it out through, and then that's how you connect your switch. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. So the next thing I'm going to try to figure out is what to tap into from the inside interior, or for the interior fuse panel. So that's where we're going next. Once we figure that out, then we'll be good. All right, I'll keep you guys updated.